Ang ABS-CBN is just a test broadcast. Kaya yung sinasabi nila na meron silang permit, wala po silang permit. Kami po ang the only one na nag-oppose doon sa franchise na hinain ng ABS-CBN noong 2014 during the 16th Congress. I remember the chairman of the franchise committee that time is Marcelino Chodoro. Umattend po kami ng hearing dahil sa bagay na may kilalaman sa alteration ng kanilang prangkisa. Kaya nung natatandaan ko, 2014 nung nagpatawag ang 16th Congress, nandun po ako at maraming umattend doon na congressmen na member ng franchise committee. Nagsalita ho yung sponsor na natatandaan ko, si Congressman Agabao ng Santiago City, at saka po nagsalita din yung ibang mga congressman na sinusuportahan nila for the immediate approval of the franchise of ABS-CBN. Pero nagsalita po yung chairman na ang sinasabi, at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, ang sabi ni chairman ng Congress ng franchise committee, we cannot approve at this point in time the renewal of ABS-CBN because we have a resource speaker, Estrelita Juliano Tamano, the national chairman of the Federation of Cable TV Association of the Philippines. Kaya sabi niya, we will schedule for another hearing. Subalit naghintay kami, wala nang hearing na naganap hanggang natapos yung 16th Congress. Kaya hindi po na-approve yung application ng ABS-CBN noong 2014-16 Congress. Now, kami din po yung nag-o-oppose sa kanila. Bakit? Dahil ang ABS-CBN is just a test broadcast. Kaya yung sinasabi nila na meron silang permit, wala po silang permit. Ang permit nila is test broadcast only. Now, yung pay-per-view na sinasabi doon sa Cowaranto, hindi po pwede yon because ABS-CBN is for free for all the Filipino people. Free to air po sila, hindi sila pay TV. Ang cable TV ay pay TV. Meron kaming lisensya nun. Sila wala silang lisensya, test broadcast lang yung kanila. So yan po ang aming hinaing. Kaya pag tinawag yan sa Congress o kaya Senate, yung i-hearing, yung ABS-CBN, babalikan ho namin, mag-o-oppose na naman kami because during the time, kami lang pong asosasyon, kami ang micro, small, and medium cable operators operating nationwide from Batanes to Jolo. Bago ho kami makakuha ng lisensya as cable TV operator, 5 years to 6 years. Gumagastos kami ng abogado, ng engineer, finance, 5 to 6 years. So, bakit sila ABS-CBN gusto nilang mag-shortcut? Kaya nga, yan po, kung ano itatanong nyo, masasagot ko mamaya sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig.